Hello everybody. Now we can study about quadratic equation. What do you mean by a quadratic equation? The quadratic equation just means equating a quadratic polynomial to 0. Equating a quadratic polynomial to 0. Let p of x is equal to a quadratic polynomial, then p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Obviously the equation becomes ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore p of x is equal to 0. Then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here one condition arises, a not equal to 0. What will happen? A is equal to 0. It will become a linear equation, that is bx plus c is equal to 0. The solution can be found out easily. The second thing, we can find out the roots of a quadratic equation. The roots of a quadratic equation. Finding the roots of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here LHS is equal to a polynomial and RHS is equal to 0. The one and only way to find out the value of the x is getting the solution of the equation is making the left hand side of the equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 a perfect square, and all the coefficient or the constant terms to the RHS and finding out the roots. Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let us say equation number 1. Dividing both sides by a, we get x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. Basically we can find it out. X square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. Then what we can find out? Here it is similar to an identity, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then what happened? Fine. In the place of a square it is x square, 2ab is b by 2a. Now the b square we have to find out, because the c by a it is another term, it's not included in these two terms. Let us take a is equal to x, 2ab is equal to b by a into x. Therefore b is equal to b divided by 2 into a. Here guys, find it out is very simple. 2b into x is equal to b by a into x. X and x and cancels out, b is equal to b by 2a. That result is came here. We can find it out. Then we can return as a is equal to x, b is equal to b divided by 2 into a. Therefore a plus b the whole square is equal to x square plus b by a into x plus b by 2a the whole square. This is equal to x square plus b by a into x plus b square by 4a square. But the equation 1 is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. and the equation is, the derived equation is x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. This is the same equation. LHS and RHS is divided by the coefficient of a. Then we can find out x square plus b by a into x plus b square by 4a square plus c by a minus b square by 4a square is equal to 0. Here we are including this result here in this equation, and there will be another term b square by 4a square. To make the value equal, we are subtracting the same value here. So the real value of the LHS will remain the same. Then x plus, what's the term? This x plus b by 2a the whole square. There x plus b by 2a the whole square plus c by a minus b square by 4a square is equal to 0. Find it out. Then x plus b by 2a the whole square is equal to b square by 4a square minus c by a. So second step. And how can you find it out? X plus b by 2a the whole square is equal to b square by 4a square minus c by a, which is equal to b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Therefore x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus under the root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square, which is equal to plus or minus under the root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a. Therefore x is equal to, taking the LHS on the right hand side, minus b by 2a plus or minus under the root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus b plus or minus under the root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2 into a. Now we can find out the two roots. Either x is equal to minus b plus under the root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and x is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. These two are the two roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then there arises a condition such that b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0, and b square minus 4ac can be equal to 0 also. If this value is equal to 0, then what will happen? X will have only one value, that is minus b by 2a. The only one condition that should not be happened is b square minus 4ac will not be less than 0. It will not be a negative term, because when we taking the roots of the b square minus 4ac, it should be always greater than or equal to 0. That is the one and only condition required here. Okay, so we can find out the quadratic equation. Thank you.